2, 3, 4.
맛있게 돼.
JM! Okay, JM, come
I
here.
got JM too.
Okay. Tata, where's Tata? Okay, Tata also. Okay.
Go, Tata, go, Tata, go.
Okay. Who do you want to win?
Wait. Hannah.
Oh, listen to me. Wait. Break.
We have an extra beer. We got an extra beer.
Huh?
We need one more.
Man.
Extra beer.
Okay, teacher up. Okay, move backward first. Move backward.
No. I don't think that's a good idea. They might slip.
Okay, and hold your bottles. Hold your bottles.
Okay, ladies, hold your
Hold your
bottles.
bottles. Hold your bottles. MJ. Okay, wait. Put your bottles up. Put your bottles up. Oh, MJ.
Okay, raise your hand.
Okay, here. Put your bottles
Face here.
up. Okay, 5.
Wait, not yet. Move closer, guys.
Closer.
Okay, my mic's up.
Wait. Alright. Hold the countdown. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1, go! Very fast. Who won?
Okay. Based on my opinion, I saw one winner. I only saw one winner. Yeah. Who do you think win? Well, Tata, you're so strong, my God. See? Don't you ever bring Tata in a drinking session. But I guess the winner is Cindy too. Yeah. Cindy, come here. Why? Cindy didn't stop. Just continue. Yeah, didn't stop. But you're not done. Cindy is the winner. Oh my God. So later, Cindy, how many beers you can drink?
You can drink. This is science.
Only here?
I know this is science.
Science? Why? Oh, listen, go teacher, yeah. Why?
Mike.
Oh, I don't understand. Oh my God. What? Andrew, what?
빨리 나오게 하려면 그 입술가
Andrew, prepare.
구멍이 있어서 이렇게 공기가 들어가가지고 입술가 빨리 나오게끔.
Okay, Andrew, what's that? Again. Andrew, listen. Okay.
You're the oldest student.
Julian, Sandra, what?
Who can translate? Just
Translate. Oh, Sandra. Oh, Sandra will translate. Oh, again.
Again.
아니 그게요. 그러니까 공기가 안 들어가면 맥주가 안 나와요. 빨리 마시려면 그 공기가 그러니까 입술을 전부 다 묻는 게 아니라 입술과 입술 사이에 그 간격에 공기가 들어가게 해서 맥주가 빨리.
question to Sandra.
When you drink beer, you
Don't stop. Oh. Okay, sister. Oh.
If you drink beer, there must be air to drink beer faster. And when you drink beer, you must not put your mouth exactly to the beer, but little distance.
Oh. See? So, boys, do you know that? It's science!